Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best glass cleaning towels is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in maintaining a pristine home, and today we're diving deep into what makes a truly exceptional glass cleaning towel, separating the good from the truly great, so you can achieve that streak-free, sparkling finish every single time without the frustration. Number 5. MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloths, 2-pack. Experience the superior cleaning capabilities of these premium cloths. They are crafted from the highest quality microfiber to effectively absorb and remove dust, oil, and smudges without leaving scratches or streaks. Whether it's your glasses, phone screen, laptop, or TV, these cloths are designed to clean them all. They are the ideal solution for all your screen and lens cleaning needs. You can trust these cloths to leave your delicate surfaces spotless. They ensure no scratches, streaks, marks, or lint are left behind, preserving the integrity of your items. Each cloth comes in its own protective poly bag, ensuring it's always new and ready for use. This thoughtful packaging guarantees quality every time you reach for one. From electronic screens like LCD and OLED to camera lenses and car mirrors, these cloths are incredibly versatile. Their delicate craftsmanship makes them suitable for virtually any surface you care about. Discover the magical difference these cleaning cloths can make. They provide exceptional results for all the items you cherish most, keeping them looking their best. What we like? If you're looking for a cloth that can handle all your delicate surfaces, this is it. It's designed for everything from glasses and screens to car interiors and toys. If you want a magical clean on the items you care about most, choose this. What people say? They do a great job cleaning without leaving lint or scratches. I've used them on glasses, phone screens, kitchen counters and even stainless steel surfaces, and they work perfectly every time. They absorb well and leave surfaces streak-free. These particular microfiber cleaning cloths still work as well as they used to. I always enjoyed the softness, size, and the results. They do an excellent job cleaning the computer screen and TV screen. They clean to my cleanliness standards. Number 4. MR.SIGA Ultra-Fine Microfiber Cloths, 6-pack. Introducing MR.SIGA's Ultra-Fine Microfiber Cloths. This pack includes 6 cloths, each measuring 35 by 40 centimeters, perfect for all your cleaning needs. Our soft microfiber material ensures that your surfaces will remain scratch-free. It's gentle yet effective for a perfect clean every time. These cloths are designed to be lint-free and non-abrasive. They are also incredibly easy to wash, making them a convenient choice for everyday use. Experience a very smooth, fine polish with every wipe. They are also machine washable, maintaining their quality after multiple uses. These are ideal for cleaning mirrors, windows, stemware, lenses, and glasses. Achieve a streak-free shine on all your delicate items. Each cloth measures a convenient 35 by 40 centimeters, 13.7 by 15.7 inches. This generous size makes cleaning larger surfaces a breeze. What we like? If you need a reliable cloth for mirrors and windows that won't scratch, this is a great option. Its fine polish and lint-free nature make it ideal for achieving a smooth finish. If you prefer a larger size for more coverage, consider this. What people say? The quality and consistency are unreal. They stay ultra-soft, lint-free, and incredibly effective even after multiple washes and heavy use. They lift dust, oils, and fingerprints effortlessly without scratching delicate surfaces, leaving everything crystal clear every single time. The quality is amazing and leaves every glass surface streak-free. Very absorbent with the glass cleaner, but even the cleaner isn't needed with these rags. They are the perfect size and well worth your money. They definitely do a better job than newspaper or regular microfiber cloths. The waffle weave really does make a difference. They're just the right size and thickness, super absorbent, and do a great job drying the glass without any streaks. Number 3. Airlab Microfiber Cleaning Cloths, 6-pack. Tired of streaks and smudges on your glass surfaces? Our cleaning cloths deliver a sparkling, crystal clear finish without leaving any residue behind. They are tough on dirt but gentle on surfaces, ensuring a perfect clean every time. These cloths are designed to be lightweight and handy, making them easy to carry and store. You can tackle any glass surface with ease, achieving that desired streak-free shine whenever you need it. Make a smart and sustainable choice for your cleaning needs. By using these reusable cloths, you can significantly reduce waste and save money compared to disposable paper towels. Don't limit their use to just glass. These versatile cloths are perfect for a wide range of surfaces. Use them on mirrors, car windows, stainless steel appliances, and even delicate electronic screens. Experience the ultimate cleaning solution with our durable, high-quality microfiber cloths. They are super absorbent and built to last, providing reliable cleaning performance for all your needs. Discover the difference a truly effective cleaning cloth can make. Achieve a lint-free and streak-free clean on all your surfaces with this miracle solution. What we like? If you're tired of streaks and wasteful paper towels, this is the solution. It's lightweight and effective for a variety of glass surfaces and more. If you want a sustainable and easy-to-use cleaning cloth, this is the one for you. What people say. The microfiber material is highly absorbent and effective at picking up dirt and grime, leaving surfaces streak-free. These towels are durable and can withstand repeated washing and drying without losing their softness or absorbency. The generous size of the towels makes them versatile for cleaning a variety of surfaces, from windows and mirrors to countertops and appliances. Number 2. Claro 2-Step Glass Cleaning Cloth 8-Pack. Introducing the Claro 2-Step Glass Cleaning System. Achieve a perfect, streak-free finish with our simple 2-cloth process. First, use the damp green cloth to tackle grime and dirt. Then, follow up with the dry blue microfiber cloth for a brilliant, polished shine. Crafted from premium, lint-free microfiber, these cloths provide scratch-free polishing on all your delicate glass surfaces. Perfect for windows, mirrors, TVs, showers, and even car dashboards. They are your go-to solution for a spotless clean everywhere. These washable and reusable cloths eliminate the need for disposable wipes or harsh chemicals. They are built to last, making them an eco-conscious choice. This convenient 8-pack includes both green and blue microfiber cloths, making crystal clear glass an effortless part of your cleaning routine. What we like? If you want a truly spotless finish on your glass and mirrors, this 2-step system is for you. The combination of a wet and dry cloth ensures grime is removed and surfaces are polished. If you're looking for an effortless way to achieve a streak-free shine throughout your home, this is the ideal choice. What people say. They clean effortlessly, leaving behind a streak-free, crystal-clear shine with minimal effort. Whether it's eyeglasses, mirrors, windows, or even delicate camera lenses, these microfiber cloths pick up dust, fingerprints, and smudges with ease. No need for excessive wiping or harsh chemicals. Beautiful. No smudges, smears, streaks, fibers, or lint on the window. Number 1. Chemical Guys Premium Microfiber Towels, 3-pack. Introducing our professional-grade microfiber towels. They are ultra-soft and scratch-free, designed to safely remove wax and sprays for a perfect finish. These gentle towels are safe for all surfaces, including paint, glass, and chrome. They won't scratch or leave lint, making them perfect for any detailing task. Featuring high-pile fibers, these cloths soak up water and cleaners efficiently. They reduce the number of passes needed, leaving surfaces spotless and streak-free. These towels are machine washable and built to last. They can withstand hundreds of washes without losing their softness or absorbency. This value pack includes 3 16 by 16-inch towels. You'll have plenty for paint correction, interior cleaning, and glass care. Ideal for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and even household use. They are perfect for cleaning windows, electronics, and furniture. What we like? If you're a car enthusiast looking for the best way to maintain your vehicle's shine, this is your go-to. It's designed to safely remove wax and cleaners without scratching paint or glass. If you want professional-grade results for your car detailing needs, this is the perfect choice. What people say. They dry and performed amazing. They don't scratch your car, they don't shed like other towels. The material feels premium like stated before. These are great microfiber clothes for shining up shower doors and both mirrors. I use one in the kitchen after I wash the countertops, and glass top stove keeps all streak-free. They wash up nicely for the next use. They are heavier than a normal cloth, and that makes them durable. These rags are soft, durable, and do exactly what I need them to. I've been using them for detailing my car, and they pick up dust, polish, and wax without leaving behind streaks or lint. They're gentle enough on paint but still tough enough for interior cleaning. After a few washes, they've held up really well, no fraying edges or loss of softness. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.